welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking. I really appreciate it. Today's video, we are making yam porridge, or popularly known as yam pottage, and it tastes so delicious. So stay tuned. Watch this video to the end because the vegetable that I'm going to use to cook this yam porridge is going to shock you. So let's start cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is to peel my yam. To cook yam porridge, of course you need yam. You can use white yam, yellow yam, any yam of your choice. So I'm using one yam. After peeling off the yam, I cut the yam into medium size. Then wash the yam until it's clean, maybe 2 or 3 times. While peeling the yam, if you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll not miss out. And also share this video with your friends and family so that they will learn how to cook porridge yam.
Mrs. Joy ni weloya. Aburu ni bunwanyi yo, mani maye sini, obi amwapuzi na giyo. Tobandi continental food yo, iga muta kesi esini ni toluto. Wokeji afoye buebu. If you want to learn how to cook a delicious meal, if you also want to learn how to make a presidential cake, continental food is the best. Home and abroad, they are the best. They are the best. BCC Joy, come tell you what. In a mekwafuma continental food is the best. They are the best. Continental cake is the best. They are the best. Continental food is the best.
After washing the yam and the yam is clean, I add white vinegar. The vinegar is going to stop the yam from browning because this is new yam. So if you don't add the vinegar, it's going to change color. The next ingredients you're going to need is 2 scotch bonnets, fresh tomato 2, 1 long pepper. You can also use bell pepper depending on your preference, and 1 onion. The scotch bonnet is optional. If you don't want your porridge yam to be spicy, just leave it out. So next I'm going to wash all this and cut them into medium size so that it'll be easy for me to blend with my food processor. So I transfer into the food processor, then blend until it is rough. So I'm not going for a smooth blend. After blending, this is what it looks like. This is the consistency that I'm going for. So next up, I have the vegetable we're using to cook the porridge yam. Here I have Bok Choy, or called Bok Choy. It's Chinese vegetable and it's rich and it's packed with vitamins. This Bok Choy contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, B1, B2, B3 and B6 and on. That is very rich in vitamins. So you want to use it, try it out, go out there and get it. It's called Bok Choy or Bok Choy. So next I'm going to wash it until it is clean.
Continental food undoma ndina muzi kesiesini chai ebiga muta kesiesini ni wele ngabasio Mrs. Joy ni weloya Aburu ni bunwanyi yo mani maye sini obi amwapuzi na giyo Tobandi continental food yo iga muta kesi esini ni toluto
After washing, the next step is to cut the vegetable. And if you notice, I'm not wasting anything. I'm using the stem. Cut all of it. You don't want to waste anything. And while I'm cutting the vegetable, I'm going to ask you, have you give this video a thumbs up? Have you subscribed? Please do not forget to do that before you leave. So after cutting, keep it aside for use later. Next step is to fry our sauce for the porridge yam. I have my pot in a high heat so that I'm adding vegetable oil. Then add the blended pepper. After that, I add seasoning cube. Then add chicken seasoning as well. I'm using 2 types of seasoning cube here. Add some salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of mixed ginger to build that flavor. After you've added all the seasoning you want to fry this tomato sauce for at least 15 to 20 minutes to build that flavor. So this is how you build your flavor, because if you don't fry your sauce very well, you're not going to get that rich flavor. After frying the sauce for at least 20 minutes and the whole kitchen is fragrant, then you can now add whatever meat you're using, which I'm using chicken breast, but you can also use beef for this recipe, or you can use fish, any protein of your choice, but I'm using chicken breast. Add it in and mix it together. Continue frying for further 5 to 10 minutes. As soon as you add your chicken breast to the sauce, while the chicken breast is frying with the sauce, is going to take in all the rich flavor from the sauce. Cover it with the lid and allow it to fry for another 5 minutes. As I said before, in total you're frying this for 13 minutes with your chicken breast. Then once the sauce is ready, you will know your kitchen will be very fragrant. You can now add in your yam. Add in your yam, then add enough water to cook the yam, and I'm using hot water. After that, add salt. After that, mix together until it's well combined. You can see the amount of water that I add because this is new yam. But if you're cooking old yam, you might add more water because the old yam takes longer to cook. Then cover the pot, allow the yam to cook for at least 20 minutes until the yam is soft in a medium heat. While the yam is cooking in a medium heat, the yam is going to absorb all the rich flavor from the fried sauce. 20 minutes later, and I'm checking on the yam. This smells amazing and tastes delicious. So next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crayfish mixed together. Crayfish is also going to add flavor to this porridge yam. After mixing the crayfish, the next step is to add the vegetable stem because it is harder, it is strong. So you want to add this and allow it to, cook for at least 4 minutes before you add the green part of the vegetable. 4 minutes later, it is time to add in our vegetable, bok choy. Bok choy. But before you add it in, you want to turn off your heat. The heat from the porridge yam is going to help cook the vegetable. With this vegetable, you don't want to overcook it. So this is how to cook porridge yam, or popularly known as pottage yam, with bok choy, and it tastes so delicious. So please try this recipe. I'm not talking too much, just go out there and try it, and you will come back and tell me the result. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, join the Continental Food family. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow my page and give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in another beautiful video. Bye bye.
Continental food is the best. They are the best. Continental cake is the best.